What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, loves? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole and welcome to my channel. Today, guys, girl, I know I said in the last video that I wasn't getting Ipsy no more, but they suckered your girl in. So here is my paid for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I think this may be the only one I might keep. Y'all, I don't know. But if you want to see what I got in January's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, please stay right where you at and make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You know it's free. All right, loves, welcome. As I said in the intro, I'm Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys. This will be a very quick unboxing of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This one is the $28. They just recently increased to $28 a month. Yeah, you get 5 full-size beauty products with a retail value of around $120. I had some good choices this month, so I'm excited to show you guys. Before we get started, I don't have a drink, which I've been sucking with lately, sorry. And I want to shout out all of my bomb-ass subscribers that rock with your girl. I love you guys dearly. So without further ado, let's get this bag on and popping. Boo, y'all can take a dance break. Y'all know the rest. I do hope you guys have been enjoying my makeup tutorial videos. I have been having so much fun doing them. I will link them down below and put them throughout, you know, up top here throughout the video. So please check them out if you have not done so already. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and take this out. I did unbox the Glam bag, the Glam bag, and plus I get in PR. I'll link that video down below as well, guys, so that you can check that out. So I'm excited to show you guys what I got. I also got a couple add-ons, so we're gonna get right on into it. This is the bag for the month right here. Beautiful bag, nice little smiley face. I am definitely feeling it. I'm gonna get my phone so I can go through prices and stuff with you guys. The theme for the month is happy vibes right here. On the inside, you get just some things to do or talk about, I don't know, but it actually is like a happy skin cheat sheet, so this may be interesting for you guys to check out. And yes, loves, this video will be going out Wednesday, and you gotta know I'm only down to once a week now, every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on next Wednesday, we will be having a haul, a big haul, so make sure y'all check that video out. I'm gonna start with the stuff that Ipsy chose for me, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I chose. In case you did not know, Addison Rae will be the Glam Bag X's next influencer, well, curator. So yeah, Addison Rae, I think, is from TikTok or whatever. So I'm not sure about how I'm gonna feel about that one. I will put some spoilers up for you guys on my Instagram. So let's get to what they chose for me. Up first is from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter in Mo Money. Ooh, I love Fenty's products, so I'm gonna open it up really quick. Ooh, this is the packaging, standard Fenty packaging. When we open her up, girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. And this, ooh, now this is a beautiful color. It's very like bronzy, goldy. I love it. I don't even think that's a word. This is full size, guys, retails for $36 and is a cream to powder highlighter that instantly lights up your face with this supercharged bronze champagne shimmer. All right, let's swatch it really quick. Ooh, beautiful. Put it on the back of my hand. Ooh, gorgeous. That will look good with a lot of skin tones, especially deeper skin tones. Love it. Look how it's blinded on the camera, babe. Kilowatt. Yes, baby. And I'm gonna just, for the heck of it, add a little bit to my face. You will be seeing, ooh, that's beautiful. You will be seeing another get ready with me using subscription boxes coming up in the near future, guys. So let's move on to the second product. The second product that they chose for me comes from Rowan Beauty. This is the Cake Mascara in black. This one retails for $28, and it is a volumizing mascara that has a unique fluffy brush that is designed with flexible bristles that lengthen, lift from the root of the lash out, and it plumps and lengthens your lashes. Okay, so $28 for this. Let's open it up really quick. We got the shade black. I love a good mascara. This is the packaging right here, loves. And let me see this, a magical wand. Ooh, okay, that's a pretty wand. Nice. Okay, $28. Excited to use that. So far, Ipsy's choices for me, 2 makeup products. Y'all know I love it. And I'm sorry if you hear like a little humming. I have a little fan on, guys, because I be sweating. Y'all know. So now we're moving to my choice items, and this is the first choice, a palette. And this one comes from Formula Z Cosmetics. Ooh, look at that. It's called Cosmic Glitz. Beautiful packaging. And we're gonna open it up and see. This is what it looks like outside. That's like iridescent type. Oh girl, we got another mirror. Hey boo. All right guys, and these are the shades. I'm not gonna take the plastic off because, well, I don't know, because this is beautiful. Ooh, I love a shimmer palette. Let me swatch it, I have to. Ooh, they feel very, ooh, we have a glitter, pressed glitter. We have metallics, shimmers. I'm gonna just do the metallic and shimmer shades really quick. Ooh, girl, oh girl, that's gonna be a beautiful look. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So as I was saying, these colors are absolutely gorgeous, and this one retails for $25. 6 gorgeous shades from shimmery blues and purples to neutral mattes. This palette is the perfect addition to your makeup bag all year long, and I'm telling you, I will definitely be doing a look with this palette. The next product that I chose was from Girlactic. It is the Metallic Eye Sparkle right here in Cleopatra. Alrighty, let's open this baby up so we can see what we're looking like. So y'all know that they are finally letting us have Mardi Gras. So far this box is giving me Mardi Gras vibes. This is beautiful. That's the color. This is $20, guys. Excuse me. It's a metallic brown cream eyeshadow that has a velvety smooth texture, and it's easy to blend, won't crease. That's the applicator right there, and y'all know I'm gonna swatch it. And they have this beautiful theme this month of like golds and bronze, and I absolutely love it. I will definitely be doing like a Mardi Gras makeup look. Very excited about that. Love this, and it's 20 bucks. Look how beautiful. Gorgeous. And then the final product that I chose was from Kimchi, and this is the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. I did get this one in my PR box. Retails for $16. You get 105 milliliters of product. I have been using it, and so far it's a matte finish, but it's not really like, I'm not a huge fan of it. This is what it looks like outside of the box. The sprayer on here is nice, but I don't really find that it really keeps me mattified for very long. $16, I'll keep playing with it and see, but yeah, I'll be putting this one in a future giveaway. All right, so we're gonna quickly go through my add-ons. That was all that I got in the Glam bag, but I did add on this Araceli, what is this? An eyeliner in the shade Sangria, which is gorgeous. I'm gonna swatch that for, ooh, look at that beautiful color. Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Love that. This is, ooh, gorgeous. I also added this little palette from Araceli again, and it is the Aztec Eyes. Ooh, beautiful brown shimmer shade in a matte brown. Love this. Gorgeous. Oh, I love this brand. They're really kind of good, guys. Then I ordered from St. Lux. These are, I don't remember, I think it's a, oh yeah, it's a dual lip liner set. We have these 2 colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I'm not gonna swatch these. Oh, the top broke off of that one, but that's what they look like. And these are lip liners, I think. Yes, these are both lip liners. Love that. One in Moscato and one in Vino. Love it. I also picked up the Bronzilla from The Balm. I've always wanted to try their bronzers. I've heard great things about them. This is the shade right there. It's looking a little light. Ooh, let's swatch it. We may have to pass this on to my mom. We can put it right here. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna bronze me up. That's the shade there, but I wanted to try. It does feel really nice. And then I also got, this is what I'm most excited for, guys, these Fenty Beauty, this was a dual set here. One is in Cause I'm Black, and the other one is in Bachelor Pad. So I'm gonna take these out. These are eyeliners. I think so. Yes, both are eyeliners. So I'm gonna take them out so we can see the colors, and then we're gonna do a quick recap, final thoughts, and be done. They do come in the standard Fenty packaging, and it has the twist up cap, which I don't really care for because you can't twist it down, but the shades are very pretty. This is Cause I'm Black, and the other one is called what? I forgot already. Oh, Bachelor Pad, this beautiful charcoal gray. Great eyeliners, creamy, love them, love them. All right, so we received from the Kimchi brand this matte setting spray. From Fenty, this highlighter in Mo Money. From Formula Z, this cosmetic glitz palette. From Rowan, this black mascara. And from Galactic, this metallic eyeshadow. So, how many products is this? 6? Oh, 5 products here, guys. And all of my add-ons, I absolutely love them. So let me do some final thoughts right now. Final thoughts is I love this month's box. It is makeup heavy. We got a setting spray. I am very pleased with the products they chose for me, being the mascara, the Fenty highlighter. I love the little palette here. Love that Galactic shade right there. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this bag, and I really enjoyed January. Ipsy to me hit it out the park. I would definitely give this a 5 out of 5. I loved it. Good job, Ipsy. I will post the total for my bag somewhere around here on the screen, but I'm happy, guys. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I can get use out of everything. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me know if you're still rocking with Ipsy, how you feel about Addison Rae being the curator for next month. I don't really know how I'm feeling about that. I'm gonna have to look at the products and see what I think. If you have not done so, please subscribe to our channel. Follow me on all of my social media. I will be putting them down below. Check out my past videos if you haven't. And I think that's all I have. Yeah, that's all I got, guys. So I will see you guys in the comments and on next Wednesday's video. I love you guys dearly. Please be safe, my loves. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.